Hi, Bob Fowler here from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm standing next to the NauticStar 22 XS. That means offshore. I've got a brochure in my hand here, and one thing that the reason I did that, I wanted you to see this. They're the only one in their price category that builds their stringer system in one piece, and they fill it with closed-cell foam. If you want a great riding boat for the price, you can't beat a NauticStar. And again, the XS stands for the offshore model. I don't think that you can find a better built, better riding, drier boat than the NauticStar. Talk about NauticStar just for a moment. They're built in Avery, Mississippi, and they're the #1 selling fiberglass boat from 18 to 28 feet, both 2017, 2018. Great haul, great boat. We're gonna go inside. Come on, let's go. All right, standing inside the 22 XS NauticStar. Hey, if you hear any banging while we're doing this video, it's not us. They are fixing windows on the outside of our showroom. So I just wanted to make that note to you. On the back now, I've got the bench folded down. Very simply, it locks into the place. Got a very comfortable seat. Even if you want to fold this down, it folds down as well when you got the bottom bench fold down out of the way. This boat actually has the optional ski tow and towing package on it as well. Your live well here in the back. This boat has the 200 Yamaha 4-stroke. You've got rocket launchers here, large cooler that fits here, and then of course you've got your rod holders that fits on both sides. Let's look at the helm here. One of the things that I really like, you've got the contour in the back on your bolster cushions, and I'm 6'2", but I can lean down, and I've got my feet, I can put my feet up in here. So it really gives a great comfortable area to do. And then if you're sitting up here on the bench, you've got another one also that I can put my feet in. Sea deck there, sea deck in the back, and of course your stainless steel steering wheel with your knob, your Yamaha, and of course your horn. NauticStar 22 XS. Let's walk up here to the deck. I'm going to cross by the access to the console, and we'll look at that in just a moment. I've opened these. As you can see, this is a back cushion for the bench, and you can see it folded here on the other side. This one comes out the same as that one, gives you a back bench, but then this also folds right into the gunnels for added bolster. You've got fish boxes over here, and over here are dry storage wherever you want to use them for. Look at the 5-gallon bucket right here. So convenient. Put your casting net or whatever you want to put in there. And then you got another cooler or a fish box here, however you wanted to use that. And I wanted to show you too, a lot of room. And I see this on most of my videos. I'm 6'2", so I can stretch out and have plenty of room. 2 people just like me can do this, or you can sit 3 around, have plenty of room in the NauticStar 22 XS. Now they've got the Legacy as well in the same length, it's the same hull, but the Legacy would have fixed seating in the back where you have the removable and a bench that you can fold down out of the way. That gives you more room. Your fisherman really likes the XS model as well. We're going to come right here and look real closely into the console. And you've got a head and quite a bit of room for a 22-foot boat. So here we are. We'd love to see you and show you this model here at Panama City Beach. This is MarineMax. My name is Bob Fowler. You can call me at 850-527-5645. And we'd love to show you this boat, take you out for a ride. These great NauticStars. We're glad to represent them to the market and hope you'll come to see us. Have a blessed day.